Apple Password versus a Password 2025. Which password manager is best for you? Keeping your password secure is more important than ever, but in 2025, should you use Apple Password or a password? Let's break it down. Apple Password, built into iOS and macOS, offers seamless integration across devices. Most people get this wrong. They assume Apple Password is just a convenience feature, but it encrypts passwords, generates strong random passwords, and fills login details automatically in Safari and apps. You won't believe what happens next. It syncs across iPhone, iPad, and Mac without extra setup, making it perfect for Apple-only users. A Password is a cross-platform solution that works on Windows, Android, iOS, and browsers. It offers advanced features like password sharing, secure notes, two-factor authentication storage, and security breach alerts. Its Vault system allows complex organization of credentials, which is ideal for professionals managing multiple accounts. Pricing differs. Apple Password is free for Apple users, while a password requires a subscription starting at a few dollars per month. For those needing advanced security and cross-device compatibility outside Apple's ecosystem, a password is worth it. So, which is best? If you live entirely in the Apple ecosystem and want simplicity, Apple Password is sufficient. If you need cross-platform support, team sharing, and advanced security features, a password takes the lead. The surprising truth is that password managers aren't just about remembering passwords. They protect you from hacks, phishing, and identity theft, so choosing the right one can make a real difference.